EPS was established by Korea's startup support in 2016. EPS focused on developing waste pyrolysis technology for numerous years. In addition, it won a prize in the field of waste recovery technology and won a grand prize, which is the Minister of Environment Award in the Eco Startup Challenge. We also acquired a Green Technology Certificate in 2021. EPS pursues sustainable resource circulation and carbon neutrality based on sequential waste pyrolysis technology. The Earth is getting warmer. Since the 18th century, which is the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, the industry has continued to develop and emission in the atmosphere increases endlessly. The average temperature of the Earth for the past century has increased by 1 degree Celsius due to the destroyed icebergs. Consequently, the government of countries worldwide has put great attention to carbon neutrality. The most fundamental problem is that the carbon created from fossil fuels is currently over its limit. Although waste biomass, including wastewater, food waste, and livestock manure, materials that are inevitable for human survival, are recycled globally through traditional processing methods such as biogas production, dry fuel production, fertilizers, etc., the effect of greenhouse gas is negatively influencing the waste treatment. Whilst the paradigm for waste treatment techniques is shifting, the experts highlight the pyrolysis technology as a strong candidate for resource circulation and carbon neutrality. EPS extracts high-value, sustainable resources from waste biomass, quantitatively adjusted, and moves to the sequential pyrolysis device when the waste biomass is put by the sequential pyrolysis injection device developed by EPS. In the sequential pyrolysis device, the waste biomass moves directionless. The molecule structure disintegrates, and gas molecules such as vapors, gas, and oil vapors travel to the waste heat recovery device. The remaining carbon and inorganic compounds are emitted through the emission device in a form of char, which is crystallized semi-permanently. Vapors transported to the waste heat recovery device are separated into condensates, gas, and oil vapors into non-condensable gas and oils respectively. The condensate, in which the water and the oil are separated, travels to the wastewater treatment plants, oils to the storage tanks, and non-condensable gas to their storage tanks. The waste heat from the heat pyrolysis process is retrieved in a form of transforming the coolant into hot water. Gas is approximately 9,400 kcal, and the gas emitted from the process is 9,200 kcal. Therefore, the biogas can be combusted directly from the industrial LNG burner. In addition, the produced oil fuel is in a form of biofuel, oil, and when this is purified, it sequestrates like when purifying oil into gasoline and diesel. It is approximately 7,000 kcal and replaces fossil fuels or BC oils. Reborn as carbon-neutral resources such as fuels, hydrogen, industrial materials, etc., when fossil fuels are replaced and refined. Lastly, char, a semi-permanently crystallized organic carbon, is used as a biochar, the soil conditioner, and it is affirmed that it is effective in promoting the growth of plants that absorb greenhouse gases via carbon soil storage and soil improvement of acid soils. EPS aims to promote forest restoration and carbon neutrality by producing biochar from waste biomass that arises in countries that are undergoing desertification. EPS has been confirmed by the Specialized Agency for Carbon Reduction. When produced fuel is alternated into 1 ton of fossil fuel through gasification, 0.599 tons of CO2 from greenhouse gases can be cancelled. The biochar produced through pyrolysis has approximately 37% carbon fixed, meaning that it reduces atmospheric emissions. EPS's sequential heat pyrolysis technology appropriately treats the wastes, reduces operation costs, and plans for sustainable and high-value resource circulation by biofuels that replace fossil fuels and biochar, the soil conditioner. Moreover, effects such as the revitalization of the affiliated infrastructure industry and the creation of jobs through operating facilities can be expected. BPS takes the lead to saving suffocating Earth due to the waste treatment crisis by handling the waste treatments.